Hey there, I wanted to take a quick moment and make a video example for you about just limiting the storage for users of your app for when they're uploading documents. And this is just a basic example. You don't have to do it exactly as I'm doing, but just wanted to kind of show you a full picture, starting with this table I have as an example where uploads are stored. So I just have a reference to the user that's uploading it and the document attachment. So let's jump over to the API so I can show you how you would actually limit this. Jump into my CRUD endpoints, ignore some of these other tables. I was doing just some other testing, but let's go ahead into this post uploads and I'll show you what I created. So we're doing this for the authenticated user here. And so the input is a file. So to actually find that, we'd go down to storage and it'd be file resource instead of the attachment metadata. So first thing I'm doing is I'm querying all the records in the upload table so I can check the storage. Okay, and the way I'm doing that, I'm setting a custom query here where the uploads dot user ID is equal to that authenticated user. Okay, and now in the output, instead of returning a list, what I'm doing is I'm doing an aggregate of the size. So I'll show you how that looks if I click into return. The return type is aggregate, and we don't need to do group by because we're only getting those by that authenticated user. And then I'm aggregating by the uploads dot document dot size, and I'm choosing a sum. Okay, so I'll save all this. Okay, so that's just to check what's already been uploaded by the user. And then I am going ahead and creating the attachment from this file resource. Okay, that's just mapped to that input. Simple for any upload. And now I'm doing a precondition. Okay, so this is where I am enforcing something. So we can set conditions that must be true. So here I have the check storage dot size, and then I'm adding the variable of that uploaded file called content, and then dot size. Right now I'm setting it less than or equal to this big number. So let's go ahead. I'll set it to something like 100 bytes, and this will hit this error. I'll hit save. If it passes, the record gets actually uploaded. So in this example, I'm going to hit this precondition. So let's go ahead and run this. This is just an image I found online, and I'll go ahead and hit run. And I just have this error, you've reached your limit. So let's go ahead and change this to a bigger number so I can show you that this will actually pass. I'll just add some zeros on here, a much larger number. And now if I run this, we'll see that this actually gets added. It passes the precondition and is added. And here is all our information. ID 7, if we go to our database and go to uploads, we can see number 7 right here.